We're excited to share this unique property in Piedmont, which is about an hour from Turin or about 2 hours from France and the Ligurian coast. This spacious 183 square metre home is actually 2 units, which could be joined to create a single house. Each unit has a living room, kitchen, a bedroom, bathroom and veranda. Both overlook a lovely courtyard. There might be the possibility of additional bedrooms based on the floor plans, but this would need to be clarified with the realtor. The home also features a small garden across the road, 3 cellars, a vaulted tavern and a wood or pellet burning fireplace. It's set in a small hamlet within walking distance to the heart of Luserna San Giovanni. It's also in close proximity to several national parks, beautiful hiking trails and renowned ski resorts. According to the realtor, the property is in very good condition and is move-in ready. It's on the market for a very reasonable €60,000. If you'd like more information or would like to contact the realtor, there is a link in the video description below to the original listing. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with another house we love in Italy, under €150,000.